Hello to you all. I'm Roman and this is all about happy painting. This video is again about my very own tabletop army, the Grey Knights. This third part is about the builds of my HQ and special characters. I will show you what kind of martial I built from a Black Templar champion, and I'm also a fluff gamer, so I had to do an Inquisitor with retuine. Thank you very much for your patience with the updates on these videos and also on the tutorial on how I painted my Grey Knights. I'm working on all these things, but I was quite busy the last couple of weeks with a pinched nerve also that hurt my left arm, teaching and my preparations of my Patreon. Yes, I'm on Patreon since November 1st. If you are interested, find the link below. Thank you for the support. Let's start with the martial now. I was browsing Games Workshop Space Marine Heroes to find the one I want to put my Kitbash on. In the back of my mind I knew I would just play this guy as a marshal, no captain or Grand Maester, so I should keep it simple. I did not, of course. In my drawer I found the Black Templar's Emperor's Champion and used the same methods of conversion as for the Strike Squad, but with tons of additional bits. Can you guess them? Can you guess the most prominent piece on his backpack? Tell me in the comments. I do like him a lot. I would even say I love him, the pose and everything. Even he looks too special for a martial already. Like I said, I'm a fluff gamer, so I had to add an Inquisitor with retuine. I will never play a tournament or create an army list for winning. I will just play with friends. And I just created these for style, and I bet they will be awesome when they're ready for the gaming board. For me, the Inquisition plays a big part in my Grey Knight army, and I was lucky as I did build a retuine already back in 2019, when I built a small retuine for maybe playing Kill Team. Never played, but back then I enjoyed kitbashing these so much. They were all based around another build of an Inquisitor, and I collected and converted them from different sets from GW. I never played with them and almost did not paint any, but it is fact that kitbashing is a big part of my passion, and I do not mind if I do not paint it later on. In fact, I was lucky to have them, so I was able to use some for my new retuine squad that I built right now. Fortunately, there was a Kill Team box listening to my dreams and bringing just the right models with the perfect timing for me. It was not easy to build that squad to make it fit into my 1000 point list, but I was able to create 8 models, 4 Acolytes, 1 Gun Servitor, 1 Chocaero Weaponsmith, and a Demonhost. As I said before, I used some of the older ones I did build before. And also was very happy to find one for the Weaponsmith without using a monkey for it. If you ask me about my favorite build, I would say it is the Demonhost. It was built from a Necromunda Van Zandt body, a bold Sister of Battlehead, arms of a plastic Sister Repentia, some additional bits, chains and a minimum of green stuff. I really like her flow and the energy and impact that pose has. Again, thank you for your patience. There will be much more in the future as I'm working on the ebook on how I paint my army, but I also do have lots of fresh videos in line. Unfortunately, I'm just a one-man army, or at the moment a man with one arm only, and it all takes a little longer than I want. I hope my pinched nerve gets better very soon. I do go to doctors, I do go for physio, so I'm hoping that this will not get much more on my nerves than it already does. Once again, thank you for following along. I hope you enjoyed this update, and if you're interested, check back with my brand new Patreon to see how you can support me to create more videos for you and stuff I do there. Thanks a lot. Roman out. Keep on happy painting. Bye bye.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!